Say that again, Dad? We just finished our food at Sushi Wawa. So amazing. Dad thinks I'm a weirdo because I'm talking to a camera. I had this beef wagyu. I think it was a donburi bowl, which is like got rice in it, and then side of pickles on the side of like lettuce. Amazing. Probably my most favorite dish I've ever had here. Dad got that, the same one, and then he also got a chicken one. And he said the beef one was way like the best. Now we're about to go to IKEA and I want to have a look at all the Christmas stuff and see if there's anything that I can buy for my Christmas tree. Maybe some glass baubles, I don't know. Anyway, we'll go there now. I didn't film too much at IKEA, but I wanted to show you what I did buy, and that is this. I bought 2 of these. Wanting to do like a girls' day where we all make these together. I thought it would be cute. I saw like a reel on Instagram of a lady organizing something like that, so I'm gonna try that. I didn't buy this, my dad bought this for me. But I also found this, which is me and Cameron's favorite Pocky from Japan. So I got 2 packs. Well, Dad got 2 packs for me. I don't really like this brand. I'm not even gonna try and say the name, but this is the only one I really like, and they're really thin chocolate ones. I'll put a picture up here of what they look like. So yeah, if you ever get a chance, I would highly suggest you buy these. They're the best. Okay, you may come in. I just got home. It's our favourite one.
IKEA?
Yeah, no, Wawa Sushi. Oh, you're going straight in. I guess there's no reason not to.
Oh, so good. That's a pancake.
Good morning, everyone. It's been a week since my last clip, and today is the day of the gingerbread decorating party. I've been this morning cutting candy canes. Last night me and Mum cooked. She made a potato salad and a coleslaw, and I made a cob loaf and some risotto balls. Still got to do the icing, and yeah, everything's coming together. I'm gonna have Tammy come over a little bit earlier and help me with the table because I'm still not 100% happy with it.